Hey, what's up? It's Sam from HiViz, and these are the FireTech 4x6 headlights. FireTech 4x6 headlights are the first fire truck headlight specifically designed for use in the public safety market space. There's a couple of things that make this thing unique. The first is mechanical. On the back of this headlight, there's a device called a Gore polyvent. And there's a really cool video you should check out that talks about why we use this thing. But the long story short is that on a fire truck, because of a lack of airflow, the temperature inside the headlights is often higher than in other products. So with a high temperature also comes high pressure, which normally fatigues gaskets. This little valve prevents failure of those gaskets and keeps these headlights from having moisture accumulation inside. The other really cool feature of this headlight is that they're designed to have both a high beam, a low beam, and this integrated halo parking light that gives you more visibility in the areas where it matters to firefighters and first responders, not designed to be an over-the-road trucking headlight like for tractor trailers. For more information about the FireTech Headlight, check us out online at hivizleds.com or reach out to one of our team members for a complimentary 30-day demo.